Personally, I think it was a little bit sad. It was a little bit emotional for us that we didn't get to do it because, yes, she kept on coming to me and saying, this is not going to be a shoot, it's going to be a party. We're not working, just get the, we actually had done the entire costume fitting. I think there were 12 saris, which Manish had made. And yes, she came and saw each costume and made the changes he wanted. And he said, now this is done, now we're just going to Switzerland, it's going to be a party, and we're just going to shoot the song. And he was doing it on his own. Knew exactly how he wanted to shoot it. There was one sequence he had also planned in the water, and it was freezing cold, so we were all laughing about that. So yeah, it is unfortunate, I think so for me. I would have liked to have been able to do that, but...
This experience was even better because I think I got more comfortable with him. And you know, when you work with Shah Rukh, it doesn't feel like work. You just have a great time on set because he's like joking and he's so witty, and it just, everyone's is like, you know, he just makes everyone feel very light-hearted and happy. Or everyone, technicians, everyone on set.
But I can tell you one thing that, I don't know, maybe that has something to do with it. He'll, to his heroine, at least with me, he used to always grab my shoulders and say, look into my eyes, look into my eyes. So, yeah, maybe he makes it happen.
I learned it from the eyes of the girls who are working with me. No, but you can't learn romance. You got to feel it. I mean, I did economics very well. I did mass communication rather well and sciences, and I don't know if I've learned acting well.
I still want to see these certificates.
I've got them. They're on the net. I'm very educated. I can walk English. I can talk English. So I feel love. I feel love. I've always said this, and I will say it once again. And in spite of sometimes it being misunderstood, misread, or misconstrued, specifically, you know, when I'm doing a film like this, it is very important for me to understand, feel the warmth from my co-actors, and I think both of them. And
you know what I feel like. I judge a hero, you know, how good and how romantic he can be by the way he puts the heroine's hair behind her ears. That's what I think. And and I think that's something that you do really well. You do that, and then I think that's the key to your.
Yeah. Katrina को Sing is King में देखा हुआ है, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा पूरी फिल्म देखी थी, और another couple of films that I've seen.
What were their names?
See, I think a rose by any other name would smell just as sweet. So what's in a name, darling? It doesn't make a difference. कोई भी आप जिस पिक्चर का नाम मुझे नहीं मालूम, उसमें भी 4 पिक्चर देखी मैंने बेनाम कटरीना की, उसमें बड़ी खूबसूरत थी. They look beautiful. They're beautiful girls. I think you know, between the two of them, I've had the most beauty surrounding me. तेरी आँखों की नमकीन मस्तियाँ, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियाँ, तेरी सॉफ्ट स्किन, तेरी खूबसूरत आंखें, नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जान. इस बारी इसलिए 2 बार बोलता हूँ, जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान.